From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for June 5th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. I actually want to go out here to the weekly time frame for a moment, take a look at the big picture here for this currency pair. We're going all the way back to May of 2016, vertical red line, left-hand side of the chart. Look at the price action we've seen for the past couple of years here for the New Zealand dollar. The rises and falls, pretty consistent. Rise, fall, rise, fall, rise, fall for the past couple of years. Most interesting is this area down here at the bottom that I have highlighted with a big black box, where the market has found support multiple times and reversed and went all the way up to the top of the chart. We have been into that black box over the past couple of weeks and now starting to rise out of that black box again. So I think that's a very interesting viewpoint. If this pattern continues, the possibility of seeing it back up into the 73s or even the 74s is a possibility if the pattern continues for the New Zealand dollar. That being said, let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame, and we can see a shift in the trend where it was the downtrend, the black trend line, and now we see the market beginning to make more of an upward bias. Let's go ahead and change the color of that to a blue trend line so it's different from what's on the chart. So we can see it making more of an upward bias here along the blue trend line than it was along the black trend line. We're seeing higher lows and higher highs being developed over the past couple of weeks. So very interesting there. We're above the 0.7 thousand level. The blue shaded area here, just right around close to the current market, 1.7 thousand, middle of that area. That happens to be the 236 of the most recent rise as well. So we're coming out of that box at the bottom of the chart. We're starting to see some indication of rising higher lows and higher highs. So very interesting here for the New Zealand dollar. 100 period moving average well above the market. One last thing that I want to point out, and I'm actually going to go to a different chart and a different tool that we typically look at here in the morning analysis video is the harmonic pattern that we have present here for the New Zealand dollars. Actually, on the daily time frame, we have a bullish bat pattern recognized here, and we can see that it has been rising from the PRZ, the potential reversal zone, the little red box down here, rising out of that potential reversal zone. Typically, we will expect it to potentially go up here to the B point, the center point of the pattern. Let me make that black so it's easier to see. We'll see the market rise to the center point of that pattern as our initial target, if not higher than that, but that becomes an initial target. That's back up into the mid 7100s. So we actually have another 150 or so pips before we reach to the B point of the harmonic pattern potential reversal point of the New Zealand dollar. So we've seen it on the weekly time frame. We've seen evidence of it actually starting with rising highs and rising lows. We see the harmonic pattern. All of that really, technically speaking, points to some rising here for the New Zealand dollar. So we're looking for an opportunity for that. Let's take it back to this chart, to the 4-hour time frame. Look at the pattern within this trend that we've seen over the past couple of weeks. We see this right here where the market fell down into support. Let me see if I can grab a hold of this. Fell down into support and then made its rally. We've even seen it in the past couple of days, haven't we? Where it fell down into support and made a new rally. So what we're looking for is, guess what? We're looking for it to fall down into support and then make the next rally. So what we're looking for is the support bullish setup here into the 7,010 69.95 level, the blue shaded area. As it dips down here, we'll look for evidence of buying pressure, and we potentially have the opportunity to go long, targeting, of course, back to the purple shaded area. So there's a lot of evidence here that points to more bullish than bearish, and gives us an opportunity to look for a long on a dip into support for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.